Good morning, students. It's our second video, and just I want to at first tell you welcome back. And in our first video, just we studied about sentence, and in sentence we studied three things. First one, parts of sentence. Second one, the kinds of sentence, and just the rest one is the formation of sentence, which we are going to study. When we talk about the parts of sentence, we study two things over here: the subject and predicate. When we studied the kinds of sentence, we studied five kinds of sentence over here. First one is the assertive, second one is interrogative, third one is imperative, fourth one is exclamatory, and fifth one is optative sentence. Five. And just in the formation of sentence, we are going to study about it. In the formation of sentence, when we talk about the formation, we have to think just two things over here. First one, to form a sentence, we need words, phrase, clause. We need these things to form a sentence. When we at first, when we talk about the words, it is the formation of letters. Letter forms words like read, read. This is a word. R, E, A, D. These are the letters. When you talk about the letters, just it is the formation of sounds, vowel sound or consonant sound. Likewise, sound forms letters, letters forms words, and words forms phrase or clause, and they form the sentence. But they play a vital role in a sentence. They are the grammatical items, and they play the role of something in a sentence. On the basis of that, just we have to read about the three things over here. First one, subject. Second one, verb. And third one, complement. Just in this video, just we are going to learn about the subject, verb, and the complement. And yesterday, just we learned about, in the previous video, we learned about the subject. Subject means simply the noun or pronoun about which whatever said in the sentence is a subject. Means about noun or pronoun. Whatever said in a sentence is called subject. Like Ram reads a book. In this very sentence, Ram is the subject, or simply we can tell that the doer of the sentence. The doer of the sentence is the subject. In this sentence, Ram is doing the work. The work of reading is done by Ram, so Ram is the subject. Second example, he plays football. The work of playing done by done by he, so he is the subject. Third one, I can do my work. In this very sentence, I is doing the work. I has the capacity to do the work, so I is the subject. Ram is the subject, he is the subject, or I is the subject in this sentence. Second one is verb. Verb means simply whatever is done by the subject. Done by subject. In the sentence, whatever a subject can do, a subject does, that is called verb. This sentence, just we are taking as an example. In first sentence, Ram reads a book. What kinds of work does by Ram? The work of reading. Reads is verb. Second sentence, he plays football. What kinds of work he is doing over here? Here he is doing the work of play. No, means he does the work of play. It means that it is the verb. And third one, the verb what is this one verb. Because I can do means that is the verb. The work of doing, that is the verb. Third one is complement. When you talk about complement, complement means simply the object of verb, or the adverbs. The adverbs of time, adverb of region, adverb of place, adverb of manner, and the all are collectively called complement. Object of verb, adverbs of time, region, place, manner, all are collectively called complement. Just in this sentence, a book is object, football is object, my work is object. It means that these are the complement. Just a more example I am going to show you of the complement over here. Our vacation starts in June. Our vacation starts in June. In June, that is time of adverb. When we talk about the reason, I went to market to buy books. I went to market to buy books. To buy books. Reason of adverb. I live at Motihari. Place of adverb. These kinds of example of the complement. At last, again I want to summarize it. When you talk about the formation of sentence, just you have to focus on the two things. First, the word label or the words, phrases or clauses simply form a sentence, but they play a vital role in the sentence, and on the basis of that, just these are three kinds of subject, verb, complement. And I told you previously, subject means the doer of the sentence or the noun or pronoun, whatever said about it in the sentence is called subject. Verb, the work done by the subject is verb. And third one, the complement, object of adverbs. Time, the adverb of time, adverb of reason, adverb of place, and adverb of manner, collectively called the complement. This topic is over, and when we just go through the exercises, just you can simply do the number 1, number 2, and number 3. Whatever just we have gone through over here, you can simply do the thing from the we can do the 3 exercises on the basis of that. But for number 4, just we have to learn the target question, and in this target question, just I will teach you in the next video. Again, I am going to tell you the same thing. Please, like a genius students or an intelligent one, Be safe and try to save your family members. Thank you.